Good morning, children. Welcome back to your social studies class. Today, let's discuss about the birth of the United Nations and the objectives of the United Nations. The birth of the United Nations. After World War II, the nations of the world came together to find ways of preventing wars in future. Franklin D. Roosevelt, the President of USA, Winston Churchill, the Prime Minister of UK, and Joseph Stalin, the President of the USSR, discussed with each other and a charter of the United Nations was prepared. It was finally signed on October 24, 1945 in San Francisco, USA by 50 countries including India. Therefore, every year 24th October has been celebrated as the UN Day. The term United Nations was coined by the US President Franklin D. Roosevelt. Students, please remember, at present 193 countries are members of the United Nations and South Sudan is the newest country to join the United Nations. Now students, let's discuss about the objectives of the United Nations. The UN Charter laid down the following objectives of the United Nations. First, to maintain international peace and security. Second, to promote friendly relations and cooperation among the nations of the world. Third, to solve social, economic, and cultural problems peacefully in cooperation with each nation. Fourth, to protect environment and to justify the use of natural resources and many more. To achieve these objectives, the United Nations has issued a Declaration of Rights for Human Beings. It is called the Declaration of Human Rights. It was adopted on December 10, 1948. That's why December 10 is celebrated as the Human Rights Day every year. Some of the important rights in this declaration are the right to live as free citizens, the right to equality before the law, the right to education and employment, the right to travel anywhere, the right to marry according to one's wish. My dear children, please remember the following points. First, the headquarters of the United Nations is located in New York, USA. Second, the UN flag has a light blue background with its symbol at the center, which is a world map surrounded by olive branches. Olive branches symbolize peace. That's all for today. Thank you.